Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to clean your goalkeeper gloves with only a few steps. In the background, I'm going to have a video of me cleaning my gloves. This time, I'm only going to be cleaning one pair of gloves, so I'm going to be using a bucket with room temperature water. But if you're going to clean more than one pair of gloves, then you should clean them under a running faucet for more efficient work. The thing you want to make sure is that the bucket does not contain any soap, because the soap may just dry out the latex, which makes the gloves useless. Now that you got your bucket of water, you're going to start running your hands through the water while squeezing out the dirt from the gloves. I'm going to start off by having the gloves on my hand and squeezing, but later on I'm going to take them off to clean the bottom of the palm and the fingers. While cleaning the gloves, remember not to twist the gloves or rub the palms together. This is to prevent any unnecessary damage and tearing of the latex. You should only squeeze the gloves. This will push the dirt out from the gloves. After a while, the water will turn brown from all the dirt, and when it comes to that, you should refill the bucket with new water. You do this to keep on cleaning the gloves, because if you would keep on using the same water, you wouldn't be cleaning the gloves because of the dirt. You can repeat the process of refilling the water as many times as you want, depending on how dirty the gloves are, but I recommend that you do this 3 to 4 times. After you are done cleaning the gloves, you can wrap them in a towel or hang them up in the shower. But remember, do not put them in a direct source of heat. That will dry them out. You do not want to completely dry the gloves after cleaning. You want them a little damp to help with the grip. Also, a way that you can clean the gloves is that after your training you can hop in the shower with your gloves on. While in the shower, you can start squeezing the dirt from out the gloves. But make sure you do this before you whip out the shampoo and start singing.